Looking for the best power tool kits? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 power tool kits on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. BLACK+DECKER Matrix 6 Cordless Tool Combo Kit. An innovative concept that's like 6 power tools in one, thanks to the Matrix Power Unit's quick connect system and attachments that include drill, sander, jigsaw, oscillating tool, router, and impact driver. Best for small homes. A good choice for small to mid-level projects around the house and for users who are looking for a compact and affordable kit, but it has limitations compared to standard power tools. Reports of the 20-volt lithium-ion battery not living up to its advertised long life. Some attachments are flimsy. At number 2. Porter Cable 8 Tool Combo Kit. Packed with tools for a surprisingly low price. Circular saw, reciprocating saw, and jigsaw, plus drill and impact drivers, oscillating multi-tool, cut-off grinder, and LED flashlight. Comes with 2 batteries and charger. Tool shoppers on a budget will be impressed with this huge 8-piece kit. Though some minor quality concerns exist, the value of this comprehensive pick can't be beat. Some tools have plastic components. The durability of the oscillating tool is questionable. At number 1. DeWALT 5 Tool Combo Kit. Rugged tools that are built to perform. Hammer drill, LED flashlight, impact driver, circular and reciprocating saws. The set's 20-volt lithium-ion batteries earn praise for fast charging and long run times, and you get 2 with the charger. A 5-tool kit that lives up to the DeWALT reputation for heavy-duty build and power. From the professional to the do-it-yourselfer, tool enthusiasts won't find a better set. Circular saw doesn't come with a fence. It's a pricey option, but it's also the best. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.